Introducing Rasor's new FP862M, the most powerful pneumatic handheld cutting machine ever produced by Rasor. Designed to cut a wide range of textiles, technical textiles, composites, leather and other flexible materials up to a maximum thickness of 20 mm. The FP862M offers incomparable power and ergonomic design and is exceptionally user-friendly. The FP862M is designed with safety and ease of use in mind. Its semi-automatic sharpening system allows for blade reconditioning in less than 10 seconds, without the need for blade disassembly. Featuring a finger protection and an auto-stop safety switch, the FP862M meets the highest safety standards. The motor housing is held by a central foot fitted behind the blade in central position. This system spreads the pressure to move the machine through the fabrics on both sides of the blade, and cutting is done smooth and straight. The FP862M cuts a wide range of materials in light, heavy or high-density versions, single and multiple layers. It is perfect for numerous cutting applications, where mobility, flexibility, power and ease of use are crucial. High-quality HSS and carbide blades come in a variety of shapes and make the FP862M a universal cutter for numerous industrial cutting applications. The knife is half-free on both sides to avoid winding problems, even with tough fibers. The FP862M has an air-compressed motor, entirely produced by Rasor. The new turbine assures higher power and torque, reaching 400 watts, warrants low maintenance and exceptional durability. The new steel gears reach up to 1.400 RPM and allow fast cutting movements. The FP862M is delivered with an extra blade and essential accessories. A CE declaration is included, together with a QR code for convenient technical documentation download. For safety reasons, the use of a steel protection glove is mandatory. Contact us for further information. Experience the future of cutting technology with Rasor.